Now, when you first start Microsoft Excel 2013, you'll be presented with a big green bar on the left-hand side that will list any recent workbooks here. It will give you a link here to open other workbooks, so effectively ones that aren't classed as recent. And on the right-hand side here, we have a list of various templates. So we could choose an expense trends budget template, a channel marketing budget template, and these are pre-built Excel files for you to make use of. If you're happy not using any of those and you want to start from scratch, you choose the blank workbook here. That then opens you a blank workbook with a single worksheet ready for you to start working by typing in the relevant cells. So I could type something in A1, something as easy as my name. And then we need to save the file. Until you actually save the file, if your machine were to crash or if you were to close without saving, you would lose any of the work that you've done. So saving is vitally important. Now there are a number of ways of saving. We could just simply click the little save icon on the quick access toolbar, or we could go to File and come down the various list of options, the first of which is Save. You would use this if your file already has a name. If you try to save a file without a name, you're effectively choosing Save As. So if I choose Save Now, it's exactly the same as me choosing Save As. And you'll see it actually jumps into the Save As section. I then need to tell it where I would like to save. So I've got choices here against my places. Now the places you have here will depend on whether you are logged in to your SkyDrive or to your Windows account. If you're not logged into your Windows account, you'll only have a choice of computer. SkyDrive is on here because I'm logged into SkyDrive account. And then we also have a SharePoint account here where I can save files. So I could choose SkyDrive, I could choose computer, or I could choose to add a place to my list of places. This allows you to effectively bookmark a location for you to save files in. Quite useful if you're commonly saving those files in one place. For the moment, I'm going to choose computer. Choosing computer then gives me a list of recent folders. So these are places I've recently saved files to, or I can browse my machine. Click Browse, it then opens up Windows Explorer, go into your Documents area, and then you can give the file a sensible name. Save the file. I then get taken back into Excel, and we can see by looking at the title bar at the top that my file now has a name, myfirstworkbook.xlsx. Now you'll know already that that is the extension for Microsoft Excel 2013 format files. Now as you carry on and do further work, Fred is my dog. To keep the same name, we simply go to Save on the quick access toolbar, Control S on the keyboard, or File and Save. This time when I choose Save from the File menu here, I'm not given a list of options because the file already has a name. I'm effectively just topping up the save as I go. So that's creating a brand new blank workbook simply by starting Excel and choosing the blank workbook option, making any changes, doing your work, and doing a file and save to give your file a name for the first time, and then saving just by doing File and Save, Control S, or the quick access toolbar save icon.